a production of Kentucky State University Aquaculture.
Wes found this. He said it just took him a couple of seconds. This is goldenrod. It's finessing now. It did have the yellow flower and most of the leaves. Did you take the leaves off?
Like that.
Oh, okay. So yeah, most of the leaves are off. So it's a lot easier to find these galls now. So this is the gall. This is formed by the goldenrod gall fly. Remember, the mother oviposits into the flower, and this gall is formed around the developing larva. And so then there are all different sorts of creatures that come along and try to feed on the gall fly inside. There are the two species of the parasitoid wasps, and also there's the beetle. So what we're doing is we're collecting these galls, and basically all you need to do is look for the galls. You know, goldenrod, a lot of this is goldenrod, so it makes it a lot easier to find. But it just has this fluffy top. You know, it's about, well, you know, it's taller than me. It's about 5 feet tall, but there are some lower, some shorter plants too. But essentially, you're looking for these galls, and then, oh, thanks. So you'll take these clippers and just clip off the galls, and just, that's about all we need. Try not to clip it too close onto the gall, because we will have to make some measurements later. And just stick it in your bag, and yes, and watch your fingers, because I have, like, you know, just reached in and cut myself before, and these things are super sharp. So definitely be very careful. And so we'll collect these galls today. Next week in lab, we'll measure the diameter with calipers, and then we'll open them up, identify the whether the occupant's alive or dead, and what species of insect it is. And we'll use that information to work more on our statistical analysis and to write a scientific paper for the class. Okay, are there any questions?
The red leaves are blackberries.
Oh yeah, definitely watch out for the blackberries, and that's why I wanted y'all to wear pants and longer sleeve stuff. I think we'll start walking up the hill about 3:45. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Now, what are you doing right now?
I'm rinsing off the macroinvertebrates into a wash pan so I can collect them. And I'm gonna count how many was in this riffle, also in that riffle over there. And by counting them, you can see certain macroinvertebrates have a low sensitivity to pollution. And by looking at what macroinvertebrates is in the stream, we can see how polluted the stream is. Now, seeing this is out, it's a forested stream, the pollution should be very low. So I should see like a high diversity of certain macroinvertebrates. And then I'll be comparing this to urbanized streams, like streams near cities where pollution is very high, and comparing the results.
Don't stray too far, okay? We're getting ready to meet back up here and count our goals, but you know, you keep
Remember you being in the group.
I was there.
His hands are freezing.
My
He's been
hands
in
are
this shade.
Oh, did you do
Yeah.
water? Oh, I was wondering. I was like, dang.
We can combine all those. If y'all want, go ahead and combine that all in one bag. And I'll carry those up the hill.
43. There's a one.
Here, would you want these in a separate bag?
Yes,
Oh, my
yeah.
bad. I ain't
Please
trying
put the
to-
shears in a separate bag. 40 high.